Magaling mo. Kiss mo nga to.
Kahit kasi malayo, apektado pa rin ang Germany ng mga tensyon sa dagat. Tulad na nangyayari sa South China Sea. Ipagpapatuloy din ng Germany ang pagsali sa military exercises. Lalo't nakasama na sila sa Balkan.
Sa English.
Bukas din ang Pilipinas sa paglagda sa iba't katulad ng visiting forces agreement kasama ang Germany.
Ito, because I don't know the answer. So you know Ma, kita tayo setting. Si Sir Pao yung teacher ko. Si Mape tas yan. Yung teacher ko, he give me a bet. If I answer correctly on the board, he'll give me 10 pesos and 50 pesos.
What happened?
And ayoko gawin.
Hindi ka nakasagot?
Yeah, because so he'll give me 50 pesos. Yeah, 50 pesos is a full, paper. Full paper. Not this.
Ang daming laktaw.
Sorry! Ito.
Ako maglalaktaw eh. Sayang ang pagod. Assignment. Elements of a short story. Anong gagawin natin dito?
You can simply just walk around it.
Ito lang?
Yan ang assignment ko.
Ano to, magbabasa? Ha? Magbabasa?
Just read it and lagay mo yung answer.
Ano yan? Magbabasa ka ng short story.
Ito.
Tapos, ilalagay mo dito kasi may mga character.
Character is still hard.
Next, settings. Ano ibig sabihin ng settings?
Settings. System.
Settings, ibig sabihin, settings of the story kung saan nangyari.
Oh, yeah.
Where it did happen, what location, yun yung settings.
Oh, yeah.
Next, ano to? Themes, tema, plot. Ano yung pinaka-plot twist ng kwento? Then, conflict.
There are a massive day.
Story.
Elementary.
Hindi ba elementary ha? Elements yan.
Element. What is elementary?
Hindi pa ito mapalalaan. Pero hindi pa sa dahil ang pagkakalalan
Panggol. Ng batching.
Ano sila nila sa dyan?
He grown up.
Nandun sila.
He grown up.
Sila yung sa...
What a crazy update.
Ganda na.
Ba-
22.
Coming June 22,
That is next week.
next week.
Yeah.
Back in my day, I was that good shit. Ma, gawin mo na assignment
Eh,
ko.
nasa yung cellphone. Paano ko magagawa to?
No. Bakit? Why do you even need the phone?
Yeah, because I need the answers.
Why do you even need answers? You have, nang school na ka din ikaw eh. School ka din sa akin eh. We're the same thing. Tapos ano, hindi mo alam. Ano, may ka ba? Bestie ka ba? May bestie ka ba sa school mo? May friend ka ba? Ma, do you even have friend at school? Oh, friend.
Puro yan ang pinapakita ko.
Sigabot, 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 sigabot.
Sige po.
Laos na niya? Ma, the same teacher. Sabi daw niya, no? Marunong ka pa din man English? I said, no. And the same thing happened, he said. Ay, talaga, mananose-bleed talaga ito.
Sabi,
Hindi pala.
pag-dose-blood daw.
Hindi pala. I have to take it out back.
Ba't naka-record yung ano mo?
I don't know. It's my video. Not inappropriate. Play.
Paano ako makakagawa?
It's a video. Matagal pa yung school. I want to go back to that. Mama. Mommy. 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 Assignment. But it's still the same. If you're on talk, just learn.